Hello, and welcome to Decentra Decoded. In this video, we'll be talking about what is cryptocurrency. The term cryptocurrency is now one of the most popular terms in the business world. And if you don't know what cryptocurrency is all about, or maybe you want to know more, then this video is for you. Cryptocurrency, often referred to as crypto, has been defined by Kaspersky as any form of currency that exists digitally or virtually and uses cryptography to secure transactions. Simply put, crypto is a virtual or digital currency that is designed to work as a medium of exchange to buy goods and services and make payments. Let's make an example of James. He wants to buy something online. Assuming the website he's making purchases from support crypto instead of paying with his bank card, he can simply pay online with his crypto asset, like Bitcoin. Cryptocurrency started with the launching of Bitcoin in January 2009 by Satoshi Nakamoto. Other forms of crypto assets have been launched ever since, such as Ethereum, Litecoin, Ripple, Cardano, Bitcoin Cash, BNB, Solana, Doge, Shiba, and lots more. You may be thinking, if it's to make payment online, I can use my bank card. So, what makes crypto so different? Well, crypto is decentralized. It is free from any third-party interference as it's not issued by a bank or any government agency. Cryptocurrencies do not have a central issuing or regulating authority. As a peer-to-peer system, it allows for anyone to send and receive payment instead of carrying physical cash around. The decentralized form of crypto makes it possible for the transactions to be transparent and it doesn't fail, unlike using a bank card that could decline or fail and make you miss out on great offers and promotions. Unlike bank transactions, cryptocurrency transactions are recorded in a public ledger called blockchain that can be accessed by anyone. With crypto, you have complete control over your funds. They can be accessed at any time of day, and there is no transaction limit. Imagine wanting to pay for a discounted good or service, and your bank card keeps declining the transaction. Maybe because you've exceeded your daily limit. Oh no, this could be very frustrating. When compared to bank charges per transaction, crypto charges very little. That is, it has a low transaction fee, even for international payments. There is no limit, no extra delay, or hidden charges. As stated earlier, cryptocurrency transactions are recorded in a public ledger called blockchain. Blockchain transactions are recorded on a set of blocks that are securely linked together via cryptography. Transactions on the blockchain are transparent and cannot be modified. This public ledger record indicates who made the transaction, to whom, and the amount of the transaction. All these are distributed across the entire network. Crypto transactions are verified with advanced encryption. This is done to provide security and safety, making it impossible to cheat the system. Crypto is reshaping the finance world as anyone can own a crypto asset, trade, spend, and even borrow. Cryptocurrency assets are stored in digital wallets, which can either be software wallets or hardware wallets. In subsequent videos, we'll look into the different types of wallets. We hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, you can leave a message in the comment section. Please make sure you subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our videos. Also, hit the like and share buttons. Thank you.